Okay, day 3 at this beach. Tide is just going out now. It'll be low in about an hour and a half, and then it'll be dark in 2 hours. So I don't have a whole lot of time here, but still, see if we can find another gold ring. Day just isn't complete metal detecting without finding a spoon. Or part of a spoon. Neat. Another nickel. Got some wire on it though. 1961 it looks like. Holy smokers. Everybody likes to find those. $2. Oh, look at that! You want to see Kev do the happy dance, you just look in this scoop. See that? Look at that! Ah! That's got that amazing look to it. Ah, sweet. Does not look real though. I don't see anything inside. Well, still is cool though. Gets my ring count up. You're kidding me. Another one. Check out the glint in the scoop. How awesome is that? Wow. Look at that. There's got to be some numbers on there. Oh yeah, there's something there, all right. Maybe not. Oh, you're kidding me. This looks so good, though. Look at that. But There's nothing written on the inside. Oh, no, that's sand. Looks nice, though. It's got a lot of ice in it. Awesomeness. Oh, well. I hope it's real. Maybe I'll do a test or something on it. Sweet.
It's another ring. It's a tiny one.
Look at that. Tiny little ring. It's actually broken, I think. Maybe not. Looks silver, though. Because it's got that blackness to it. Very delicate, though. Sweet. Nothing better than a 3-ring day. Well, 4-ring day, I guess. Sweet.
Another penny. It's got that penny sound to it. Look at that. Can I call it or what? Another penny.
Well, here's the treasures we got at the beach today. We got a couple of toonies. Everybody likes toonies. That's like, ooh, finding a coffee. There's some nickels and, oh, look at this. Look at this one. It's all worn out in just a stripe. There's 2 stripes there. 1 stripe there. Isn't that weird? And here's a dime that's all worn out. There's a quarter that's all pitted. I think it's neat the way they come together and just wear at different spots. And there's a 1969 quarter. Best year ever. There's a 77 quarter. 74, and nothing too exciting. There's a melted up bottle cap, or probably an entire pop can. There's some sheeting off of a boat to keep the barnacles off. It's all copper. There's a bolt. There's a race car. I like finding race cars. They're cool. Because, you know, all toys are cool. And here's the cool stuff. Got this little crappy silver ring. We got this. Look at that. It looks so good. But I don't know if it's real. So let's see if we could do some sort of test, because I borrowed my dad's gold tester, but I haven't used it before, so let's see what we can do. Let's take the wrapper off of this. Now I think what you're supposed to do is scratch it on the back, like this. You give a scratchy scratch, and then you dribble some of this stuff on it. And it still stays there. Now, does the stay there mean it's gold or not gold? I don't know. Let's try the other ring too. Give that a scratchy scratch. Give this a drippy drip. Well, it still stays there. So I guess that's not gold? That would be poopy. Because I was all excited about that. Let's see, what came with this thing. If the acid does not dissolve the sample, no reaction, it is most likely that your gold is the carat of the acid in the bottle. Confirm by testing with a higher purity acid. So, well, it didn't dissolve. So, does that mean it is gold or not gold? Because I did it 10K. What if I just... There's a test for platinum, test for 18K, and a test for silver. So let's try the 18K. So maybe it is gold? Doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me, but I thought if it did dissolve, it was gold. Maybe I got it backwards. Okay, the lower one is the smaller ring. It's not dissolving anything. Look at that. So what does that mean? It's 18K? Okay, this is going to be something I have to look up online, because I don't see any dissolving on... Do you see any dissolving on there? No. Me neither. Maybe it's like tin and it doesn't dissolve at all. It looks good, though. Look at that. And it doesn't dissolve at 18K. I'm dubious. This is Kev being dubious. Because it looks good, but... Bleh. Anyway, we did the test, and it tested something. I'm not really sure what it means, though. So, if you know what it means, maybe you can send me an email or something and say, hey, Kev, you're doing it wrong. You're supposed to do blah. But anyway, it was exciting to find them, even if it isn't real. A 3-ring day? Well, it's actually more than a day. It was a day of... One day after work when it was not so rainy, and one day after work when it was rainy. But it was fun, and we got a handful of coins, and we got race car. Race car is cool. Everybody likes the race car. I'll put that in the frame. Look at that. Race car is neat. We got the 3 rings there. I know what I'll do. I'll test this. Now this I know. This is the one I found first. This one I know is gold. And I know it's 10 karat gold because it says right in there. It says 10K. So let's get all these out of town here. Let's find our 10K stuff. Oh, 10K. Give this a little rubbity rub. I got sand over everything. Give that a little rub. Okay. Put some 10K juice on there. Yeah, gold juice. Okay, that stays good. Let's try the 18K juice on the ring that we know is 10K. No, look, it dissolves it. Let's do a bit over here. We'll give it another scrape. All scraped up there. I'm still dubious. Let's give this a wipe down. Okay. Here's 10K ring. Here's 18K stuff. You see any dissolving? I'm not seeing any dissolving on that. Maybe I'm not putting enough gold on the block? I figured it would rub right off. Let's get a goodly amount of gold on there. There. Oh, look at that. That's a huge amount of gold. Now we'll do a drop over here. Yeah, that does sort of make it melt away, doesn't it? Okay, maybe that's all we need to do is just give it a good scraping. Okay. Okay, that's with the other ring we found. And it's not going anywhere. See, this one's kind of all melted away, but this one isn't. Could that be 18K? No, they would put something there that says 18K. They'd say, this ring is 18K, charge a lot for it. Maybe it's just tin, though. I don't know. It looks as though there's like a mark on the back here. Can you see that? It looks like a nice ring. And so does this one. And they'll look like a matched set. But, and there seems to be another little mark there that, I don't know what it is. But anyway, I found it, and I'm happy. I'd be happier if it said 10K or something like that. But there it is. As you can see, it's cold out again. Yeah, more snow. It's almost May, and it's more snow. How crappy is that? How craptascular is that? Oh well, what do you do? Hoping to get out with Tim sometime? Do some metal hunting? Hoping to get out with Thorgar. That'd be fun. Do some metal hunting, find some pennies, smoke some cigars, drink some whiskey. You know, the stuff we normally do. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good time. Peace out.